and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about Cyberbacker's best work from home benefit, no? At ito yung tinatawag naming profit share. So yes, here in Cyberbacker, lahat po kami na nagtatrabaho dito ay nakakatanggap ng profit share or merong chance na makatanggap ng profit share every month. So bago ko i-share sa inyo yung aking napakagandang story, personal experience ko po ito about our profit share is, I wanted to talk to you guys about profit share definition muna, no? So, ginugol ko na siya kanina para hindi ako mahirapan mag-explain. So, profit share refers to various incentive plans introduced by businesses that provide direct or indirect payment to employees that depend on company's profitability in addition to employees' regular salary and bonuses. Okay, disclaimer guys muna, no? Here in Cyberbacker, we don't call ourselves employees but we are all independent contractors. Okay, and profit share is received on top of our salary and on top of our bonuses. Okay, marami po kaming bonuses dito and incentives. Okay, ayan. So, let me share, my own personal journey with you about our company's profit share. Wala po itong halong keme. Hindi po ako binabayaran ng Cyberbacker para i-promote ito. But, I just want to share this to my 8,000 YouTube subscribers at saka sa lahat ng viewers ko na naghahanap ng work from home that Cyberbacker is one of the most generous companies in the world. I don't think na merong ibang work from home company or work from home provider na nagpo-provide at nagbibigay ng profit share sa mga nagtatrabaho sa kanila, no? And I'm just really proud of where we are right now. And gusto kong i-share sa inyo para naman ma-inspire ko kayong mag-apply here in Cyberbacker. Okay? So, let's start. Let's start with every week, I do have a one-on-one coaching with our CEO, Craig. So, every week nag-usap kami, ganyan, and then heart-to-heart, ganyan, heart-to-heart kami, reporting ng numbers, and then, last 2 weeks, nakwento ko sa kanya yung about profit share. No, sabi ko, bakit ba hindi natin to kinikwento sa ibang tao? Like, are we not allowed to discuss this? Then sabi niya, no, you are very much allowed to share to everyone, no? So, kung mapapansin nyo sa lahat ng videos ko, kapag po merong nagtatanong kung magkano po ang salary in Cyberbacker, we cannot disclose that po, no? That is very confidential. Lahat po kami here in Cyberbacker, we receive different salary packages, no? So, again, ang lagi ko lang po sinasabi sa inyo is yung potential salary na pwede nyo makuha every month. Okay, but with profit share, I can disclose po kung magkano po yung nakukuha ko sa kanya every month, no? So, to start my story, how does profit share works in Cyberbacker? It works whenever we have a successful referral na nag-tenure na sa company, no? So, let's say merong number of weeks or months na kailangan nandito na yung taong ni-refer namin, tumagal na siya at a certain period of time, and then that's when we're going to start getting our profit share. Alright, so parang referral program din siya. Again, lagi ko pong sinasabi rin sa videos ko na I don't earn anything extra kapag po nilagay niyo yung pangalan ko doon sa referral formula. That is true, no? Hindi po doon nanggagaling yung profit share. Sa iba po yun. Okay? Ayan, so para lang clear. So, what happened is that January ngayon, around October last year, middle of the month, on top of my paycheck, I received an extra $100. Okay, so hindi ko alam kung saan nanggaling yun. Wala akong sinalihang internal contest sa company. Wala akong wala akong kino-coach, meaning wala akong tinitrain or hine-head back na trainees para makareceive ako ng ganong amount. So, what I did is I had to dispute it kasi baka mamaya nagkamali ng computation with my salary and all sobra, no? So, syempre, we have to give it back to the company. So, I contacted our finance team, our money backers. I said, guys, I think there's something wrong with my salary because it's over $100, okay? Tapos, after that, they replied to me with the breakdown saying that, no, that's the correct amount. Here's the breakdown of your service fee, and then you got that extra $100 from your profit share. So, nagulat ako kasi una sa lahat, yung profit share, hindi ko siya tinatrack eh. Like, ever since nag-start yung profit share namin, hindi ko siya binantayan at all, no? So, nagulat na lang ako, lumaki ng ganun yung profit share ko nang wala naman talaga ako masyado yung ginagawa. I mean, all I do here, guys, is I create YouTube videos like this. I inspire people to work from home. I answer your questions about Cyberbacker and things that you want to know about our company. And if you want me to refer you here in Cyberbacker, ginagamit nyo lang yung form ko. You guys apply. If yung mga nauna kong YouTube subscribers na pumasa here in Cyberbacker, they are the ones who actually said that they want to put me on their profit share program, no? So, ganun po yun. Ang profit share po namin ditong program, wala po yung sapilitan, no? Kung, for example, ni-refer ko po kayo here in Cyberbacker, tas let's say, tumagal na po kayo dito ng 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Nasa sa inyo po yun kung gusto nyong ilagay yung pangalan ko doon sa mismong profit share tree na tinatawag namin, or kahit hindi, or kahit ibang tao. Okay, so, ganun siya. So, for me, to be able to receive that amount, that extra $100 a month, is sobrang helpful po niya sa financial, no? Para sa akin, yung extra 5,000 pesos, no? I-convert na natin siya. So, yung extra 5,000 pesos na yun, sagot na nun yung buong buwan ko ng grocery. Okay. So, ganun siya ka-helpful. Kaya sobrang, again, thankful ako sa lahat ng mga natulungan ko dito sa YouTube. Natulungan ko magkaroon ng work from home, makapasa sa Cyberbacker, at hanggang ngayon po, tinutulungan nyo ako sa pamamagitan ng profit share. So again, you guys, I think this profit share is one of the best benefit that any company could give to their people. Kaya naman sana, if ever you do decided to apply here in Cyberbacker, you can definitely use my referral link down below. Again, I don't earn extra from that specific referral link kapag lang po tumagal kayo here in Cyberbacker. Tsaka lang po ako merong potential na magkaroon ng profit share from our company. Okay? So, that's it, you guys. I hope na medyo na-inspire kayo sa stories ko. Again, ang extra $100 on top of your salary, hindi na pupulot yan basta-basta. And that's it, you guys. Again, I wanted to invite you guys to Career Night. Career Nights happen every Tuesday night, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Manila time. Okay, so nasa baba po, nasa description box and nasa pin comment sa baba ang registration form if in case you want to attend the Cyberbacker Career Night. Again, this is a free Zoom event for everyone. Alright, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and sana po natutulungan ko po kayo. Thank you so much. Bye!